First, holiday theme display. Set up a special holiday theme display area in the store. Display PVC Glitter Self-adhesive Wallpaper and holiday decorations together. Create a strong holiday atmosphere and attract customers' attention. Second, limited time discounts. Launch holiday exclusive discounts, buy one get one free activities, or package discounts to encourage customers to buy PVC Glitter Self-adhesive Wallpaper during the holiday season to decorate their homes for the holidays. Third, sharing holiday decoration inspiration. Share ideas and inspiration on how to use PVC Glitter Self-adhesive Wallpaper for holiday decoration through social media and in-store displays to stimulate customers' desire to buy. Fourth, free gifts or samples. Customers who purchase PVC Glitter Self-adhesive Wallpaper during the holiday season can get free small samples or decorations to increase the added value of shopping. Through these holiday promotion strategies, home decoration chain stores can effectively increase sales of PVC Glitter Self-adhesive Wallpaper and meet customers' needs for decorating their homes during the holiday season.